Welcome back to...
To what?
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some interior lighting on here because we have old yellow lights that we need to get rid of and spice it up a little bit with some LEDs. Of course in the trunk as well as in the mirror and footwells, and we're going to make this thing look 10 years new, at least. So let's go. You should be able just to pry off the socket here. Ooh, they're gonna be stupid hot, so it's a good idea to turn your interior lights off. Or just grab a rag and take them off that way. Pop in your 194. Look at that. Then just pop it right back in place. Now inside for the mirror lights, just same thing. Pry open the cover, nice and gentle. Right there. Take it off. But for these, I'm gonna go grab a tool. One sec. I'm sure there's a special tool for it, but we have some pliers and paper towel. So we're gonna go in here and just gently, there we go. Just like that. So you don't burn your fingers and it's a really small, tight spot. Just be careful not to break the light bulb. And just like that. And then take this, pop it right back in, and you can see the difference. Then repeat on the other side. Now we'll take this bulb and put it right in here. Same as the other side. Make sure it's in there. It should be facing kind of in the same orientation my finger is. And just pop this right back into place. Boom, look at that. Now one more. Same situation. It's gonna be hot. Grab it, pull it out, take a new bulb, pop it right back in. Inside, up front is all done. We got the mirror lights and the footwell lights, and it's looking great. It is brighter than my future in here. So now all we have to do is just finish up with the lights in the trunk, and this thing will be all jazzed up. Over here in the back side, there's a couple lights, and we just need to get in here and, well, you can do it this way too. Just kind of pry them out. Of course they're going to be hot because these things are on. So push the little tab and there it is. Let it cool off for a little bit so you can actually put your LEDs inside. Then I'll pop off the other side. Push it out. Once again, the tab. Pull it right out. Boom. Hot. Grab your light and then you can take it. Just pops right off like that. Boom. Done. Then just take it, push it, and unhook your loop. Boom, there's your old bulb. Now take your new guy and make sure that you point it the right way, facing outside the glass, or plastic, and then it should be good. Now plug it in, make sure it actually works. There we go. Plug it in, plug it in. That's the whole install for the interior lights on this thing. It looks great. It looks 10 years newer inside. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next video.